Ooh, messy hair today. Hello, class. Can you hear me? Good, good, good. Okay. So let me go ahead and do attendance real quickly. This is super. Hey, stop, stop. Sorry, class, my dogs. Can you hear my dogs? Sorry. Okay, so some people can, some people can't. Okay. All right. Usually they should be pretty quiet. It's pretty hot today, so they should be. Hopefully they shouldn't be a problem. right. Let me pull up the schedule and share it with you real quick. Ooh. Sorry about that, class. The wind just blew my door closed. So today is very simple, well, sort of simple day. Today is writing review and project work day. And actually, we're going to do something a little different, which is you're going to spend most of the class, or well, for most of the class, you're going to be with your groups in your Zoom groups, which I just remembered I have to open that. Sorry, I just remembered I have to open your list of groups here. I forget which. Just a second. Okay, sorry, I just had to open that so I didn't forget. So most of the class you're going to spend working with your groups, trying to figure out any final details, help each other, whatever you need to do for the project. And while you're doing that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to have an extra private Zoom room for just me, and I'm going to just invite students one at a time. So I'll pull you out of your group and I'll put you into my group and talk to you about, help you, or try to help you with writing 4 or any other questions you have about any of your writings. Because if you look here on the June 16th, we have the writing fix assignment. And I should actually state that this is optional. So what this means is that this assignment is like the book homework, right? So let me ask you, what do I ask you about the book homework? Do you have, yeah, I can't type today, have to do the book homework? No, right. Should you do the book homework? Yes, okay. So the writing fix is the same. Okay, I'm gonna ask you the same questions. Do you have to, oops, sorry, hold on. Do you have to do the book homework? Or no, sorry, not that, forget that. Do you have to do the writing fix? No. So, and now, sorry, should you do the writing fix? Yes. Okay, so I think you guys understand, right? So you don't have to do it, but you can do it, or you should do it. And I'm actually going to explain the writing fix today. I was going to leave it until June 16th class, but it's probably better just to give it to you now, today, and explain how to do what the writing fix is and how to do it. Because I give you the homework on, well, I give you the choice to do it on June 16th, and then you would have to give it to me on June 18th if you want to do it. But I think that's it. And then also on June 11th, on Thursday's class, it's I will be putting up an e-class lesson either today or tomorrow, and you can watch that anytime after I put it up. If you don't want to, I will ask, of course, on Thursday, I will ask you if anybody wants to do the live Zoom class. But remember, you can just do the e-class lesson. It's your choice. Okay. Oh, So I had a student just ask me about the writing fix. So I'm going to go ahead and explain that right now. I actually have a PPT, very short PPT. And this will, I think this will answer all of your questions. And I didn't get this PPT properly ready here. Hold on, give me a second. Okay. All right, so let me explain the writing fix. And I'm going to put this PPT on eClass before we, or while you're in your groups, so you can check it out. So for this class, we have 4 writing assignments, right? We had writing 1, writing 2, writing 3, and writing 4, right? For the writing fix, you can pick just one writing assignment and fix it. So if you pick writing 2, you can fix writing 2, then submit it. And this is not a new writing, it's just fixing it, right? So I will take the grade with the higher score. So if you fix, let's say this is your first writing 2 assignment and you got a 23 points. And if you fix writing 2 and you submit this and it's 25 points, I will take this score. So to be clear, for the writing fix, oops. So for the writing fix, you can't lose points, right? Because as you can see with the yellow text here at the bottom, maybe you can see it, hold on. I will take the grade with the highest score. So if writing 2 has a higher score than the writing fix, I would take the writing 2 grade. Okay, so you can't lose points. Whatever you do, you can't lose points for doing the writing fix. Okay, and let's see, what else? Oh, so as you know, some of our writing assignments, you had to submit a list. Some you had to submit a mind map and a list, a mind map, and an outline, right? Now, my question for the class is, if you, let's say you chose to do the writing fix for writing 4, right? If writing 4, do you have to submit a list, mind map, and an outline again? So yes or no? Yes or no? Yes, you do. Yes, you do. Yes. So the correct answer is yes, because when you give me the writing fix, right? When you give me writing 4, the assignment was writing 4, a list, mind map, and outline. That's the assignment for writing 4. So when you're giving me a writing fix, you're giving me everything again, because you are trying to replace the grade or trying to change the grade from the original. However, do you have to make a new list, mind map, and an outline? So new list, etc. No, no, you don't. Yeah, that's right. No, you can just reuse the old one, right? So when you make your writing fix, in fact, in the top, do you see how in the example here it says writing to fix? So when you submit your writing fix, make sure you include the word fix and the number, like 1, 2, 3, or 4. Okay. So just to check, how many assignments or how many writing fix assignments can you submit? Yeah, just one, right? And yes, so just one. And oh, and there's one thing I forgot to explain, which is, can you fix? Oops, maybe I didn't. I don't know if I explained this clearly enough, but can you fix everything, or just the grammar, or just the editing mistakes? So the editing mistakes would be like, the red pen, the spelling, grammar, punctuation, capitalization. Actually, you can fix everything. You can fix everything. Okay? Because remember, when you have a writing assignment, right? All of our writing assignments, there are 5 categories, right? There's preparation, there's effort, preparation. I got to do this in order. There's preparation, there's format, there's editing. What am I missing? Oh, content, editing, effort, right? So that's 5, right? So okay, preparation, format, content, effort, editing, effort. So you can fix all of that. So if you lost points for for the category for the preparation, I'm not even spelling that right. Preparation. Category for submitting, let's say writing too late, you can get those points. You can get that, you can get that point. You can get that point back by submitting the writing to fix on time. Okay, so you can fix everything. So can you also get the bonus points? For the writing fix. On the writing fix. Yes, yes, yes. You can get everything, right? So you can have the, if let's say for writing 3, oops, you got, let's see, if you got a score of 20 on writing 3, if you fixed and you fixed everything, you could am I spelling that wrong? Oh, you could change the grade to 27 points. Okay. I mean, that probably means you fixed all the mistakes, right? That would mean you fixed all of your mistakes. Okay. So that's why today I want to make sure there's plenty of time to meet with students to talk about any questions they have about any of their writings. So that's why today you're going to be doing two things. You're going to be working with your project group in the Zoom rooms. And then also I will be taking other students to my private Zoom room to ask them or help them with any questions they have about writing 1, 2, 3, or 4. Okay. Are there any questions about this, the writing fix? How about this? When do you have to submit the writing fix? If we look at the schedule. When do you have to submit the writing fix? Yeah, June 18th. June 18th, right? Well, actually, what time? What time on June 18th? Yeah, before class. Before class. Good, good, good. All right. So everybody seems to be clear on that. So now I'm just going to go ahead and put you into your groups. Um, and if you, or sorry, when you are in your private room with your project group, if you have any questions, please use the Kakao chat, the class Kakao, to ask. Okay. The reason I need you to use the Kakao chat is because um, there is a feature in Zoom where you can message me, but then it's very like it's not good because there's windows that keep opening, saying somebody in this room wants to see you. Somebody in this room wants to see you, and I can't talk to whoever I'm trying to talk to. With Kakao, I can kind of ignore it a little. It's easier to ignore. It's not as distracting. Okay. So that's why I want you to use the Kakao chat if you need any help or have any problems. Okay. All right. So let me put you into your groups. And if you have any questions about anything, you can ask while I'm setting. Oops, that's not it. Yeah, if you have any questions about anything, you can ask them while I'm setting up these. Where's my, oh, I gotta stop sharing. There's it. Okay. Okay. All right. So go ahead and join your groups. Gina and Gyeongjin, are you having trouble? Do you need help, Gina? Hello, Gina? Gina, can you join your group, please? Gina, are you there? Gina, do you need help? What's the problem? Okay. I'm sorry, I only wanted to join. I know I didn't tell you this, group one, but I wanted to join this group really quickly. Um, I had to talk to, I needed to talk to you because Angia is supposed to be in your group. And I'm just wondering, has she talked to you at all about the project? Hello? Hello, can you hear me? Has, excuse me. Class, I'm sorry, I really need you to turn on your microphones because I need to be able to have a conversation. And it's only because of the situation with Angia. I know you guys, it's uncomfortable to talk on the camera, on the phone, or on Zoom, but I really need to be able to. You can't hear.
Now I can hear.
You can hear? Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So has Angia, has she communicated with you at all? Has she worked on the project at all with you?
I think she doesn't.
Okay. So she hasn't messaged you or emailed you or tried anything, right?
Maybe yes.
Okay.
I
All right.
think
Well, I just wanted to talk to you. I just wanted to tell you, don't worry about Angia. If she sends you a video, you can add it. If not, don't worry about it. It's not going to affect your grade at all. Okay?
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
Sorry, I didn't mean to seem like she didn't know much about this project. Okay. Yes, she actually is like a working student. So she has not really been attending class, and I have tried to explain to her what to do, but I've not heard back from her in a long time. So anyways, don't worry about it. It won't affect your grade. Um, yeah. And in fact, if she does like try to do something, like if she tries to give you a video or help out, I'm gonna just give you all a little bit of, well, just trying to think if it's fair. I don't think she's actually going to give you any video, right?
Okay.
I don't think so, but if she does, I'm going to guess that you all helped her. So if that's the case, like helped her, I mean, kind of explain things to her. If that's the case, I will give you all like a few bonus points if she does submit something. Just because I'm guessing that you had to do a little more extra work than other groups. Does that make sense?
Okay.
That's only if she gives a video.
Okay.
I know it's confusing, but I just want you to know, if you feel like you had to do extra work because of her, I want to reward you for that. That's what I mean.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, that's it. That's it. I just wanted to talk to you briefly about that. Okay. I'm going to let you go, and then I'm going to try and meet with students now. Okay?
Okay.
All right. Good luck.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
June, can you join your group? Can you join the private Zoom room, June?
Yes.
Can you join the private Zoom room?
Yes, I did.
Oh, okay. All right. Well, I have to go meet with other students. So make sure you join your Zoom room. And while I'm meeting other students, I'm going to be. Oh, okay. While I'm meeting, while you're in your groups, I'm going to be meeting with other students to talk about the writing review. So I will talk to you in a little bit. Okay. So just go ahead and join your private Zoom room. Hello, Alexandra. Can you hear me? Hello, hello. Can you turn on your microphone? I need to be able to talk quickly to students because I have to talk to a lot of students, and it'll take way too long to have a conversation in the chat window.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Do you hear me?
Yes, yes. So do you have any questions about writing 4 or any of the writings or anything?
Oh, exactly no.
Oh, okay. Okay. Well, that's fine. That's fine. That's what I wanted to just check. So you know what to do. If you want to do the writing fix, you know what to do then, right?
Yes, yes.
All right, perfect. I'll put you back into your group, and
Thank
I will.
you.
Yep. Yeah. Thank you. No, thank you. And then I will meet with other students. So you are in group 4, right? All right. And okay. Hello, Subin.
Hi, teacher.
Hi. Do you have any questions about writing 4 or any of the writings?
No, I have nothing.
Okay. All right. So do you know what to do about the writing fix if you want to do it?
I will do it, but I don't choose what I pick writing 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah, that's okay. You just, yeah, you can do that later. I just want to make sure you know what to do.
Thank you.
Okay. And do you have any questions about projects or anything?
Um, I think more time
Okay.
to capture.
Okay.
Thank
Yeah,
you.
we can always talk at the end of class. Okay.
Yes.
All right. I'll put you back into your group. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you. Bye bye. Hello, Juhan.
Hi, Jamie.
Hi. Do you have any questions about any of the writings?
I mm, my writing for grade. Mm, oh, wait.
Sure, sure. Yeah, you submitted the wrong file.
Yeah, I sent the wrong file.
Mhm.
Can, can I send you my real writing for now?
Yeah, yeah. It'll be marked as very late, which means
Yes.
you won't get any score for preparation. But
Okay.
that's okay because then I can at least check it, and then if you want to do the writing fix, you can get all those preparation points back, and also fix any other mistakes.
Okay. Thank
Okay, so it won't even be a big deal.
you. Okay.
Does that make sense? I mean, do you understand?
Yes.
Okay, great. Do you have any other questions about anything else?
No. It's okay.
Okay, great. Thank you, John. And
Yes,
if you
thank
do
you,
have
Jamie.
questions, you can talk to me at the end of class or always email me. Okay.
Okay.
All right. I'll see you later.
See you later.
All right. Bye bye. Hello, Jungmin.
Oh, yes.
Hi. Do you have any questions about any of the writings?
Though I don't have any questions.
Oh, okay. Do you have any questions about anything?
Yes.
Okay. You're welcome. Okay, great. So I'm going to put you back into your group. And if you do have questions, you can always talk to me at the end of class or send me an email. Okay?
Okay.
All right. See you later. Hello, Kelly.
Hello, teacher.
Hi. So do you have any questions about any of the writings or the writing fix or anything?
I understand.
Excellent. All right. If you do ever have questions, you can talk to me at the end of class or email me. Okay.
Yes.
All right. I'll put you back into your group. Okay.
Yes, thank you.
You're welcome. Hello, Sana.
Yes, hi.
Hi. So do you have any questions about the writings or the writing fix or projects or anything?
Oh, no, I think it's okay.
Oh, great. Okay.
Mhm.
If you do have questions, you can always talk to me at the end of class or email me. Okay?
Okay.
All right. Thank you very much. I'll put you back into your group. Hello, Unkyung. Hello. Can you use your microphone? I kind of need to speak quickly because I have to talk to a lot of students. Hello? You don't have a microphone. Okay. All right. Okay. Well, I'll just ask you, do you have any questions about the writings, the writing fix, or the project? Oh, great. Okay. Um, again, excuse me. If you do have questions, you can always talk to me at the end of class, or you can always email me. Okay. So I'm going to put you back into your group. And yeah, I will see you later. Okay. You're welcome. Hello, Sana, or sorry, Soyeon. Sorry. How are you?
I'm fine.
Okay.
Thank you.
So do you have any questions about writings 1, 2, or any of the writings, or the writing fix, or the project?
Uh, I, I I want to ask you about writing for grade.
Okay.
I can understand the format part.
Okay. So let me grab. I left my writings on the other table there. Hold on, just one moment.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Sorry about that. Let me
Yeah.
pull yours up. Okay. Okay. Format. What did I? This is writing 4, right?
Yes.
So what did I mark you? Oh, the indents, right?
Oh, yes.
Okay. So we studied. Do you remember there were 2? Well, actually, there's 3 PPTs about writing that we studied. So the very first one was how to write a paragraph.
Yes.
And so that was about like topic sentence, supporting sentences, supporting details, and concluding sentence, right?
Yes.
So all of those types of sentences go into a body paragraph,
Yes.
right? Because you can have one body paragraph or two body paragraphs or three body paragraphs or more, right?
Yeah.
The introduction paragraph has only three sentence types: hook, bridge, and thesis statement, right?
Yes.
The concluding paragraph has three sentence types: summary, restate thesis, and then opinion, suggestion, prediction, right?
Yes.
Okay. So they all have different sentence types, but they are all paragraphs, right? And so there was,
Introduction paragraph,
what's
body
that?
paragraph,
Say again?
introduction paragraph, body paragraph, conclusion paragraph. So
That's,
each have indents, right?
yes. Because remember when we studied how to format a paragraph, that those rules using the indents, double spacing, margins, and full continuous lines, that's for all paragraphs. So for all introduction, body, and conclusion paragraphs, you have to add all of those things.
Okay.
So when you finish your introduction paragraph, right, you need to start with an indent, but the indent is always on the left side, right? So you have to bring the sentence down and then add another indent. Does that make sense?
Okay, I understand that.
Yeah, so the reason we do that is so it's clear where the introduction paragraph starts, and then where the body paragraph starts and finishes, and then where the conclusion paragraph starts and finishes.
Okay,
Is
thank
that
you.
okay?
Yes.
I know normally it would be a lot easier for me to explain this in a classroom, but on Zoom, I don't have a board, and it's not your fault. Like, it's Zoom, it's coronavirus and Zoom and all this stuff. It's making things a lot harder for everybody. So if you submit it for the writing fix and you add those indents, you'll be fine. Okay.
Okay.
Get those
thank
points
you.
back. Did you have any other questions?
No.
Okay, great. Well, then I will see you later. If you have any questions later, you can talk to me at the end of class or email me. Okay.
Okay. Thank
All right.
you.
You're welcome. You're welcome. And you're in group. All right. It's group 2. Oh, group 6. All right. Hello. Why are you all out here? You should be in your rooms.
I don't know. Sorry.
That's okay. Just please return to your rooms. I'm trying to meet with students right now. In fact, Unsan, we're supposed to be meeting right now. Or not Unsan, sorry. Hello, Unyoung. Do you have any questions about any of the writings? Can you turn on your microphone so we can chat? Okay. Do you have any questions about anything? About the writings? Or the project or anything? So let me find your writing really quickly. So Unyoung, in the writing guide, it says that you're only supposed to make 3 paragraphs, right? A paragraph, all paragraphs, introduction paragraph, body paragraphs, conclusion paragraphs, they all have the same thing. They have one indent, they have continuous lines, so that means the sentences keep going, right? They don't start on the left side. They have margins, the space, the white space on the side, and they have double spacing, so that's the white space between the sentences, okay? So you have 1, 2, 3, 4 indents, which means you have 4 paragraphs. You are only supposed to have 3 paragraphs. So the introduction paragraph, this is fine. Your body paragraph is 2 paragraphs because you have this second indent here. So this secondly should start over here. There should be no indent here. Do you understand? Where she's gone. sorry class, my microphone is not on. You can't leave Zoom, okay? We still have class until 3:10. I know there's maybe not a lot for you to do in the project room, but you need to wait in your private rooms. There should be a button somewhere that says join the private room. I don't know where it is. Let me figure this out. Well, Jonghyuk, do you have any questions about writing 1, 2, 3, or 4, or the writing fix, or projects, or anything? Okay. Well, all right. So do you have any questions about anything? Okay. For writing 2, do you have to, I don't know if writing 2 you had to do, oh, writing 2 you did have to do a list. But for writing 2, just look at what the writing 2 assignment was. I think writing 2 you just had to do a list. I can't remember right now. But if it's just a list, then it's just a list. Yes, list, mind map, and outline for writing 3, right? So you just have to look at what the assignment says, okay? If you want to do a whole new writing, do you want to do do you want to completely change the whole writing? Yeah, you can if you want. You can do a completely new writing. Like if you wrote about a topic, an incorrect topic, then yes, you would probably want to do a new writing. Now, I won't stop you. I won't say you can't do a new writing. Like even if your topic for writing 2 or writing 3 is correct, but you still want to change, you want to do a totally new writing, yes, you can do that. You just you might not get as many points back. That's all I'm trying to explain to you. So it's your choice. Yes, you can do a whole new writing if you want. Okay? Okay. All right. Class, so time is pretty much finished for today. I didn't get to talk to everybody. I don't normally like to show my frustration with the class, but clearly students were not listening to me today. Students were leaving and I had to organize more than I should have. And I have to take this time to explain that I am frustrated because I can see that students are not listening. And it's even more frustrating because I have friends, other people who are teachers. They teach at, middle school, elementary school age students, and they do Zoom classes, and they don't have these kinds of problems. And so you can see why I might be frustrated. Now, I understand this is not easy for you. It's not easy for me. And I'm not mad, but I'm telling you, you have to listen, right? And when we do these writing reviews, if you're not, the whole point of the writing review is to really try to give you help so that you can learn, okay? I can teach you all the rules and everything, but students don't really learn until they have had a chance to talk with me directly. And so today I only got a chance to talk to about less than half the class. And that's not fair to some students because some students got to meet with me today, so they have a little extra time to work on the writing fix. And other students have less time now. Do you see why that's upsetting to me? I am going to be taking away points from some students today, to be honest, because it's just, you are adults, right? I shouldn't have to do this, but I know this is hard. It's hard for me too, right? We should be in a classroom. We should be in a classroom. And I'm trying to be patient, but I never said you could leave the group when I was done talking to you or leave the class when I was done talking to you. And so that's why I guess I'm a little frustrated, okay? That's all I want to say. If you want to talk to me more directly, you can email me. If anybody has questions, for students that didn't get to meet with me today, if you have questions about the writing for or anything, please email me. Now I will give up more of my free time to help those students because it's not fair to them, right? So, yeah, that's all I wanted to say. All right, we are finished for today. If you have some urgent question or something you need to desperately talk to me about, you can stay. If not, you can go. You're welcome, Kelly. Does anybody else have any urgent questions? If okay, Young, I understand. But here's what I don't understand. And, you know, can I ask where you're getting your internet connection from? Are you in a cafe? The reason I ask this is because I have friends, again, I told you, that teach at other schools. They teach middle school kids and high school and elementary school kids on Zoom, and they don't have these problems. And you know, this is South Korea. South Korea has very good internet. It's just, I've never heard of this many internet problems before in South Korea. No, June, you only pick one writing to fix. And it's your choice. You don't have to do it, but you should do it. So Unyoung, where are you? Are you in your home or? And are you using other internet applications on your computer at the same time? Because if you're using other things, that might cause problems with Zoom. Okay. If you can, try to use it with a computer, because phones are just not as powerful as a computer. No, I understand. But the thing that also kind of, I'm not saying you did anything wrong. Like I can't know, you know, what the real problem is, right? It probably, I believe you when you say that it's a problem with your phone. But whenever I try to meet with students on Zoom like this and try to actually talk to them directly, these are the days when I have the most students having problems with their internet. So, you know, I'm just asking for a little bit of help from the students to make sure that you are using a computer and you're ready for class, and because it's very hard to teach class on the computer like this. So I know I'm not saying you made any problems, like, or tried to cause a problem. I know that you didn't. But in the future, if you can, please use a computer. I know some students are more comfortable using their phones, but it's only 70-minute class. It's like an hour class. So in the future, please just use your computer so there's fewer problems. Okay? I understand, Jimin. I never said that anyone could leave. So if you have a question, here's what I like to tell students. When you say I think or I thought, that means you don't know, right? So if somebody says I think I can leave, that doesn't mean you know. So when you think something, you should ask me, and you should use Kakao to ask me, can we leave, right? Then I could have just explained, quickly chatted. I could have quickly sent a message in Kakao saying, I need to meet with everyone. And that would have prevented other problems from happening. And what I'm not upset at students. I'm upset that I couldn't speak to everybody today because students need time to work on the writing fix. And some students can start today. They can start right after class. Other students, they never got to talk to me today. And that's not fair to those students. So in the future, when you don't know and you think, ask, and then you can know. Okay? Are there any other questions? Because I have another class in like 20 minutes or 30 minutes. Okay, that's good.